Are you aware of all the calls, the signs that the universe is sending you? Are you putting attention? Through this video, you will gain knowledge about this powerful belief. Plus, you will start to live your life as everything is a miracle. So make sure you watch the whole video. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. I would like to start this video with this quotation because it's very important that we decide to see things in certain way. Looking anything happen in your life as a sign, as a message from the universe, from God, up to you, depends on what you believe. We often focus on the negative part of anything, of any situation, and we often act from paranoid perception. This method can have two phases, right? Positive signs or negative signs. So if you are focusing on negative signs, please get over of that. Move out of that space. Whenever you are listening to bad signs, just go out from that space and transform and change your mindset to pronoia mindset. By the way, I have a video speaking about that, so please check out. Don't see yourself as a victim of circumstances. Actually, there is nothing called like positive or negative signs. They are just simply signs. It is our judgment, it is our interpretation that makes them so. And thanks to that, we can decide and have the intention to focus only and to call them and to see them and to feel them as a positive sign, as a only good signs. Signs that we need to listen or to see, to get, take it in order to learn. We are beings that most of the times we see our lives from limitations, which is something we also need to avoid and to stop doing. From now on, try to only focus and try to be aware and awake to receive all the universe signs in order to take correct decisions or to simply have some guidance in our lives. Also remember the law of physics. When you change the way you see at things, the things you look at change. We are constantly looking other people's signs, or we are just simply looking signs around us, even in social media. However, we should only search in ourselves because the universe or the Lord of the universe is speaking to you through everything. We are the owners of our life. We have the freedom to decide what to see, to listen, how to perceive things. So why do you stay in prison when the door is wide open? It's our mind. Our minds are our prisons. And the door is so open. It's really up to you to just start to listen to the signs. As simple as this. There are only two ways to live your life. As though nothing is a miracle or as though everything is a miracle. This is really amazing, wonderful and beautiful. I love it. And this is according to many people experience. I can share with you a lot. I have hundreds of them. But I want you to check your own histories. You also have them because the universe doesn't only speak to me or to those people who share testimonies about the signs of the universe. The universe also speaks to you. So if you are wondering, how can I be sure if this or that is a sign from the universe? Just listen to your heart. How do you feel about it? How is your perception about it? Do you feel good? Do you feel happy? Do you feel that this is for you? That this is the call? If you feel it, just take it. Say, yeah, okay, I get it. Don't think twice. Don't think maybe yes, maybe no, maybe I'm wrong. At the first time you feel it, you say, oh, this is the sign. Take it. Remember, you receive signs through everything. People, through music, books, message. There is no specific mode or weight. I cannot tell you where you will find it, how or when. This is something that just happened. Whenever you will be ready for it, believe me, it will go to you. Also, ask for signs. If you don't ask, believe me, the universe may send you, but may not send you as well. Ask for clear signs that you see them in an easy and fast way. Thank you so much for watching this video and making this world a better world. Subscribe, share, comment, and thumbs up. Until next time, universal blessings.